In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your H&M account. Whether you're accessing the website to shop for the latest fashion trends or to check your order history, logging in is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure a seamless process. To start, make sure you're connected to the internet and open your preferred web browser. Once you're ready, head over to the H&M website. You can do this by typing H&M into your search engine or entering www.hm.com directly into the address bar of your browser. This will take you to their homepage where you'll find the latest collections, offers, and much more. As you arrive on the main page, your next move is to locate the human icon. Typically, you'll find this icon positioned at the upper right corner of the homepage, symbolizing the login area. The icon is quite intuitive and should look like a small head or a bust silhouette. This is your portal to log into your account. Give the human icon a click. Doing so will direct you to the login page. Here you have a couple of options to access your account. If you already have an H&M account, you can enter your registered email address into the designated field. This is the same email address you used when you initially signed up, or the one you frequently use for H&M communications. After entering your email, look for the password field and carefully type in your password. It's imperative to remember that passwords are case sensitive, so ensure your caps lock is set appropriately and double check for any hidden errors that might prevent you from logging in. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Usually there's an option right below to reset it through a password recovery process. Alternatively, if you prefer a faster login method or forgot your email details, H&M also offers you the opportunity to log in with your Google account. If you choose this option, simply click on Select Google Account. You'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to use, and with just those few clicks, you'll get access to your H&M account without the fuss of remembering another set of credentials. Remember, having quick access to your account allows you to track orders, manage personal information, and shop with ease. As always, ensure that you're in a secure and private environment before logging into your account to protect your personal information. And there you have it. You are now logged into your H&M account and ready to explore everything it has to offer. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy shopping!